Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a finger insert into your bowling ball. I have vice grips. Turbo, I believe, is the same way as the way they look. So I have the standard oval and the power lift. So if you're putting in the standard oval, you just want to put it in with the numbers facing you. And then these holes are pretty snug, so put it in and use your thumbs to push it down. And then make sure it's flush with the bowling ball and fit it in there, the way you want it with the angle and everything. And then what we want to do, once you finagle it and get it flush and get it in the proper alignment for your hand, once we've done that, then we want to start with the glue. So you use any super glue, Gorilla super glue. If you want to use the Vice or Turbo glue, that's fine too, but it's really all the same thing. Uh, and you really only need two dots, two really small dots of glue. So if you, like I have this gel, which is better because it doesn't like string away. It doesn't get stringy like regular super glue. But what you want to do is just put one small dot in there. If you can get it down deeper into the filler of the bowling ball, that's better. But a lot of people, I think, put it about 1/8 of an inch down, kind of on the cover stock. So put a dot in there. If you have too much, like me, wipe it off with some like a paper towel. And what you want to do is immediately use 91% rubbing alcohol with the cotton ball to rub off the rest, because if you don't, it's going to harden on your cover stock and it's not going to look good, and it's going to make your cover stock kind of rough. So you see 70, but use 91 with the cotton ball, like I said, rub it off, and then use another clean paper towel to just rub off the excess. So it should come off pretty easily with the rubbing alcohol. And then that's basically it. So you want to do it, like I said, you only really need two dots, and you want to make sure that they're across from each other. So I start east and then I go west here, which this is not a good view, but you get the point. And then you can do whatever you want after that. So I typically do three. I do east, west, and then north here. If you want to put the fourth one on the south, you can. Or if you just want to do east, west, or north, south, you can. As long as you've got at least two, that's what matters. I just don't put it on south because my finger is smashing that part of the grip anyway, so it's not going anywhere. And then all you do is you just, same thing 3 times and let it dry, and that's it. And then your finger grip is in there, and then just do the same thing on the other side. So, any questions, let me know below, and thanks for watching.